find a pot.
Nope. But we're gonna be just fine.
There's a bunk.
Salt?
We have a candle. That's all the stuff I need to put in my back pocket. Well, maybe not the headlight. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be awesome.
When we get back, we'll eat a watermelon. Sponsor props for you.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Sponsored by pumpkins.
Chicken fajita bowl wraps, Barry Wicks. Where are we? What are we doing, Wicks?
We're in Lake Davis. We're doing the Lost and Found. It's gonna be 100 miles of pain for Carl as he sits on my wheel, suffering. Because I ate so many fajitas, he's gonna be feeling it.
Putting my race number on my new bike. This is the first time I've ever raced this new gravel machine that we've been working so hard on. And I got this super futuristic number plate. In the year 2000. These are the SLR zero disc wheels, Rambler tires. I'm running 33 and 38 PSI, which I figure is going to be 35 and 41 by the end of the day when it gets hot. And run 2x new Ultegra Gravel RX group. Yeah, got defuse front and rear. That's the new rig. I'm excited to ride something that is designed for this instead of designed for that. So yeah, one more hour and it's race time. And 6 hours after that, we'll see what we've got. Wish me luck.
Just a few riders race here for the 2018 Lost and Found. First and foremost,
Spencer, and I was like, I think I can bridge. And then I was like, nope.
We're gonna go that way, and then about 6 hours we'll come back that way.
No, it's a 3-hour race because Tobin's here.
You're fast. So I'm eating chips. I'm eating chips. And my jaw is cramping. That was a really hard day in the saddle. Just got done with the Lost and Found event. God, there were a couple guys that rode real hard up every climb. I was barely holding on. But I was in the lead group with 15 minutes to go, nursing a puncture. Stopped to fix the puncture. Ended up third. I'm happy with that. I was cramping from mile 50. God, I need some ice cream super bad. Not a win, but I'm leading the Triple Crown, and I'm gonna go lay down on the ground somewhere.
100 men winners.